Class 2, Day 8 and 9, Video 2. Note down masculine, feminine in your English B notebook. Prepare your page, a new page, write date, CW and day, masculine, feminine. Masculine, we use masculine for boy or man, and we use feminine for girl or woman. I'm a girl, so I'm feminine. My mother is a woman, so she is feminine. Masculine, any boy, any man, we call them masculine. Look, first word, father, mother, brother, bhai, sister, king, basha, queen, malka, man, woman, cock, murgha, hen, murgi, horse, ghoda, mare. The feminine of horse is mare. Mare, ghodi. Peacock. Peacock, more. Peahen, morni. Lion, sher. Lioness, sherni. Bull, bell. Cow, guy. Son, beta. Daughter, beti. Note down in your English B notebook. Class 2, note down diary. Diary is masculine, feminine for test. Do your test on your English B notebook and send picture to us till Monday.